HVAC hacks to cool down your home during the summer. As the scorching summer heat settles over Jasper, Texas, keeping your home cool becomes a top priority. While a well-functioning HVAC system is crucial, there are several hacks you can employ to maximize comfort without straining your energy bills. Set ceiling fans to rotate counterclockwise during the summer to create a cooling breeze. Unplug electronics when not in use, as they can generate heat even in standby mode. Invest in a smart thermostat to adjust the temperature when you're away and lower it before you return. Seal gaps around windows and doors, and ensure proper insulation to prevent heat from entering your home. Schedule professional HVAC tune-ups to maintain system efficiency. Staying cool during the summer doesn't have to be a challenge. For professional HVAC maintenance services and personalized cooling solutions, contact A1 Refrigeration and Air Conditioning at 409-207-1709 today.